What would you like to see Maddie?
Cook.
Chin Chin. Yeah, blue tea. What would you like to see Maddie cook? And what would you like to see her cook on? She's going to take on, we've already talked about this. She's going to take on this thing. And so you tell her what you would like to see her cook and what you want her to cook it on. And if you know me, you know the different I've got 20 cookers out here, but I only cook on a few of them, you know. She's playing with this thing right here. It's called sauerkraut. She takes this thing and she like shoots Papa in the head and checks his temperature. 77.4. 91.0. You got COVID. We've had a fantastic day today. But anyway, this whole thing is about what would you like to see her cook? What would you like to see her cook it on? Leave a comment and we'll make it happen, right? It's summertime. You're out of school. Going into 6th grade? Fixing to turn 11? No, fixing to turn 12? Oh, yeah. We just went to Waco, whatever you want to call it. And she's going to work with me all this week. We got some cool stuff coming up. She's going to have a blast. Again, the whole thing about this video is, what do you want to see Maddie? Oh, all you are is a head to them. Hang on, people. What's this? Beep. She's in her jammers. She just had a... Oh, no, I'm not in it. What do you want to see Maddie cook? And what do you want her to cook it on? She can do it. She can do anything. I promise you. I promise you. Let us know down in the comments, and we'll get her done. We'll put it on the main channel. Shout you out if we use your video.
Do I get to
comment.
pick what it is?
You know what? So she brought up a good point. So we'll talk because she might pick something easy and I'll tell her to do this, and I know she can do it. So she asked if she can pick. Kinda, sorta. But how about if we get enough people telling her what to cook and what to cook it on, we might have 3-4 videos for you to cook.
Yeah.
Because you can cook on them. I mean, these people do not know you. And you're awesome. Of course, Papa taught you. And works with you, and we'll work with you on what we do. But I tell you what. Again, down in the comments, what you want to see her cook and cook on. And she'll do it. We'll make a few of them. Maybe not all of them, but we'll do it.
Just no fish.
No fish. But you like gator bites. Yeah, she likes gator bites. We're going to have gator bites when we go to Destin and meet up with Booger. Right? And Jack's Drinkwater. The goatee guy. Alright, y'all. You know what to do. It's Papa Texas, and Maddie Texas. Yeah. See y'all. Take care.